Have you noticed that more and more people around the world are suddenly talking about moving to Malaysia? From retirees and digital nomads to skilled professionals and families, Malaysia is becoming a surprising favorite in 2025. But what exactly is behind this growing interest? What makes this Southeast Asian country stand out among dozens of global destinations? Welcome to Wanderlust Ventures, where we uncover stories that matter. Today, we're diving into the real reasons why people are choosing to pack their bags and start a new life in Malaysia. Whether it's the lifestyle, economy, visa policies, or just the peaceful vibe, Malaysia is winning hearts in ways few expected. So stay with us till the end, because this video might just inspire you to consider Malaysia as your next home. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest global insights. Number 1. Affordable cost of living. One of the most appealing reasons why people are relocating to Malaysia is the low cost of living. Compared to countries like the United States, Australia, or even neighboring Singapore, Malaysia offers a high standard of living at a fraction of the cost. Rent is incredibly affordable, especially in cities like Kuala Lumpur or Penang, where a one-bedroom apartment can cost as little as $300 to $500 per month. Daily expenses like food, transportation, and utilities are also much cheaper, allowing both locals and expats to enjoy a more relaxed lifestyle without constantly worrying about money. This financial freedom is especially attractive to remote workers, retirees, and young professionals trying to escape the rising costs in their home countries. Number 2. A paradise for remote workers. In 2025, Malaysia has rapidly become a hotspot for digital nomads and remote professionals. With high-speed internet, modern infrastructure, and a variety of co-working spaces across major cities, Malaysia provides an ideal environment for people who work online. The government's DE Rantau Nomad Pass has made it easier than ever for digital workers to live legally in the country for up to 12 months. Beyond just the work facilities, Malaysia offers the kind of scenery and comfort remote workers dream of. From tropical beaches to urban coffee shops with skyline views. This combination of work and leisure is why Malaysia continues to rise as a top destination for the global remote workforce. Number 3. Cultural harmony and diversity. Malaysia is a shining example of multiculturalism done right. The country is home to Malays, Chinese, Indians, and various indigenous groups all coexisting peacefully. Religious tolerance is deeply embedded in daily life, with mosques, temples, and churches often found side by side. This cultural blend means that festivals from all major religions are celebrated and people of different ethnicities are welcomed and respected. For foreigners, especially those coming from less diverse or more divided societies, this atmosphere of mutual respect is a major reason to choose Malaysia. English is widely spoken, which makes communication easy and comfortable for newcomers, and the local population is generally warm, friendly, and helpful toward outsiders. Number 4. A growing economy and career prospects. While many countries are struggling with economic instability, Malaysia's economy continues to grow steadily in 2025. With a forecasted growth rate of around 4.5%, the country is attracting investments in sectors like technology, green energy, manufacturing, and tourism. This growth is generating new career opportunities, especially in urban centers like Kuala Lumpur, Cyberjaya, and Johor Bahru. Skilled professionals in IT, engineering, healthcare, education, and hospitality are in demand, and multinational companies are increasingly establishing offices here. Malaysia's business-friendly policies, affordable labor, and strategic location in Southeast Asia also make it a great place for entrepreneurs and investors looking to expand in the region. Number 5. Beautiful nature and lifestyle appeal. Living in Malaysia means being surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Whether it's the tropical islands of Langkawi and the Perhentian Islands, the lush rainforests of Borneo, or the cool highlands of Cameron, Malaysia offers a rich variety of landscapes. Nature lovers, beachgoers, and adventure seekers find the country incredibly fulfilling. But the lifestyle appeal doesn't end there. Urban living is equally rewarding, with modern shopping malls, high-rise apartments, diverse restaurants, and a vibrant nightlife. For those who want both nature and city life in close reach, Malaysia provides the perfect blend. The tropical weather, friendly locals, and relaxed pace of life all contribute to an improved quality of living that's hard to match elsewhere. Number 6. Excellent healthcare at low cost. Healthcare is a huge concern for many people considering a move abroad, and Malaysia shines in this area. It's consistently ranked as one of the top countries for medical tourism, and for good reason. The country's private hospitals are equipped with world-class facilities and English-speaking staff, and the cost of treatment is far lower than in countries like the USA or UK. A typical doctor's consultation may cost just $10-15, and even major medical procedures are significantly more affordable. For retirees and families with children, this assurance of accessible and high-quality healthcare is one of the strongest motivators to choose Malaysia. It also helps that Malaysia is politically stable and has handled health crises with relative success, adding an extra layer of safety for new residents. Number 7. Expat-friendly visa policies. Another reason for Malaysia's growing appeal is its welcoming visa options. In 2025, the country has made it easier for different categories of people to live there long-term. The Malaysia My Second Home, MM2H, program continues to attract retirees and wealthy individuals, while the DE Rantau Nomad Pass is tailored specifically for remote workers. Professionals and entrepreneurs can also take advantage of other programs like the Talent Corp Pass. Malaysia allows foreigners to own property, open bank accounts, and even establish businesses with relative ease. In a world where many countries are tightening immigration rules, Malaysia stands out as a nation that truly welcomes those who bring value to its society. Number 8. Quality international education. Malaysia is also becoming a hub for international education. Families moving to Malaysia can enroll their children in top-quality international schools that follow the British, American, or Australian curriculum. In addition, Malaysia hosts branch campuses of well-known global universities such as Monash University and the University of Nottingham. These institutions offer globally recognized degrees at a much lower cost than in their home countries. This makes Malaysia an attractive option for students and families seeking a quality education without taking on massive debt. The educational environment is safe, modern, and inclusive, further enhancing the country's appeal to those planning long-term stays. Number 9. Tropical climate that feels like vacation year-round. One of the reasons people are drawn to Malaysia is its consistently warm and tropical climate, with average temperatures ranging between 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Throughout the year, Malaysia offers a summery feel no matter the season. This climate is perfect for those who dislike harsh winters or unpredictable cold snaps. The country experiences 2 main monsoon seasons, but even during the rainy months, showers are usually brief and followed by sunshine. This makes it ideal for outdoor living, beach trips, and nature adventures all year long. For people coming from colder parts of the world, Malaysia's climate feels like a permanent vacation: warm mornings, sunny afternoons, and vibrant evenings. Whether you're sipping coconut water by the beach or hiking through misty hills, the weather enhances every experience in this tropical paradise. So, why is everyone moving to Malaysia in 2025? Because it offers something rare in today's world: a life of freedom, affordability, opportunity, and harmony. From stunning landscapes and rich culture to job prospects and safety, Malaysia is proving to be a destination that meets both the heart and the mind. If you've ever dreamed of starting over somewhere fresh, where life is simpler yet fulfilling, Malaysia might just be that dream come true. Tell us in the comments, would you ever consider moving to Malaysia? Why or why not? And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wanderlust Ventures for more powerful stories from around the globe.